Those things, SMF MMTs. Welcome to the weekly bear. The weekly bear. This is a 3-minute of the SQQQ 3-minute chart today. This is that big bear coming off of that bottom. They gapped that left elbow, gap down. That left elbow started with a burn in that bear the other day. Now, check it out. On the same bear, we've been making a series of higher highs all day, and that's why equities have been selling off. And when that's happening, you're short the bull, which would be the opposite, and that would be the TQQQ. Okay, but right now we're going to talk about when the bull has made the move. If it pulls back and it stays elevated in its trend, that means the broader general moves like Google and all the rest of them are going to be weak off of the bottoms. And when they roll up, you would be shorting them again, because if the bull is strong, you're supposed to be shorting equities, as most MMTs are doing. That's what you're taught here to do, and that's the SQQQ. Now, when you take a look at the SQQQ on a weekly chart, the SMF platform now means that when I look at this brain over here, this bull is down here to all-time weekly lows right here. And I'm going to go ahead and highlight it just from this trend. This is that bull. That whole time that bull went down, that bear went down, that bull broke higher. The bull broke higher on the other side of this downtrend is what I'm telling you, MMTs. And the thing about it is we're putting in all-time lows on the bear. And when I show you the TQQ, here is the TQQQ. This is the bull. They gapped up that bull, and it was time, and we had people short that bull, and that bull's been in a downtrend. Because of that bull going that way, that meant that Google and Apple contributed to it, Netflix contributed to it, and there was other equities that trade in the same type of thing in the NASDAQ 100, because this bull is the other side of that NASDAQ 100. We're finally coming off the bottom, and equities are finally during the lunch hour. Lunch hour is almost over. Today's date, 1/4/2011, time is 9:53 a.m. on the stamp. When you look at this bear, you can see that this is a 3-minute chart, and I'm going to create a weekly chart as well for you. Here is the weekly chart, MMTs. I'm going to go into your market maker platform on this bull, and I'm going to, wow, each delta line is $5.82. And what I want to show people here is on the weekly, it appears, yeah, 5.82 is each one of these weekly lines for today. And basically, we've had a big haircut, and you can see that we had put in this big top up in here on that bull. MMTs, here's that TQQQ ProShares Ultra Pro Bull. You can see we're up toward the highs. The close was 154.56. The open was 156, but that high was 156.54. And this is just a weekly chart, because I will pull up the daily, but we've been coming down off of this thing $4 off of the highs all day, and they're printing on their lows. What I am telling you, MMTs, I'm just going to make it simple, that this bull and this bear, this bull on the 3-minute has just been coming down all day today, and selling short the names all day in the equity market is a place to be, because when that's weak, those go down. You can see how overbought we are up here, $152 up there right now on a weekly. And you can see here that the weekly bear, SQQ bear, it's so flat deflated, and that weekly bull is so inflated, is there's going to be a market change. And the thing about it is we could be very well in the middle of it right now. And this is that bull, and shorting this down for $4 and going long the bear at the same time, shorting the bull and going long the bear at the same time. That's what we do here in that capacity level. So what I want people to understand is, for the new people, is that if this is breaking higher, watch right here. Now watch, it's all still in the video. Okay, let's make sure. There it is. Okay. Now the thing about it is, let's take a look. If I'm long all the way up, I'm making a lot of money on the bear move right there. Okay. If I'm short the bull all the way down at the same time, I'm making a lot of money in that direction. It's fallen $4 off the high. We got great trades there. It's finally coming off the bottom. Once it does come up off the bottom, that's where intraday equities will try to hold. So the bear is going down in value, and you can see right here, that the bull is going up in value, and the time is 9:57 a.m. 1/4/2011. So squaring up on positions is, I was short there, I'm long here, I can go long here and short here and change up intraday. You've been given a gift.